the most important part of any transaction? The people buying and selling their home. They are the ones trusting you, their agent, with perhaps the most expensive thing they will ever buy or sell. I'm Lori Ann Dixon, and I'm an escrow officer with Lawyers Title of Nevada. And I understand how your customers having a great escrow experience directly reflects on you. So I make sure to relieve as much of their stress as possible by clearly communicating with them, making sure they have a good signing experience, and giving them the personal touch and attention they deserve. I would love to meet with you and show you how this kind of service can help you grow your business. Give me a call today. And remember, I am more than just a closer. I am also your business partner.